Gandang araw po sa atin lahat. Rest your hopefully upon grace, not the law. Basahin po natin dito sa scripture mula sa 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 13. Sabi po dito, "Wherefore gird up the loins of your mind, be sober, and hope to the end for the grace that is to be brought unto you at the revelation of Jesus Christ." Atin pong alamin itong sinasabi sa verse na ito. Sabi po dyan na girding the loins of our mind. This refers to actively controlling and directing our thoughts, particularly our imagination. Ibig sabihin po, ingatan natin ang ating pag-iisip sa buhay at huwag mag-ugat at dumami ang negatibo o di makajus na kaisipan sa ating mga action. At sabi po dyan na being sober or be sober. This means maintaining a clear and alert state of mind, not being intoxicated o hindi nadadala ng mga makamundong pagnanasa o distractions. At sabi po dyan na resting our hopefully on the grace to be revealed. And this involves focusing on the future grace of God that will be fully manifested at the revelation of Jesus Christ. This grace is not something we earn, but a gift freely given by God. At sabi dyan na not conforming to former lust. This means po na we actively choose Christ and not to be controlled by sinful desires that characterize our lives. Mamuhay po tayo sa bagong pagkakakilanlan kay Kristo upang hindi tayo maligaw sa lumang pattern ng ating mga pag-uugali.